In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use email templates in Monday.com. We'll walk through the full process using an app called Supermail, so by the end, you'll be able to design a template, connect an email account, and send a message directly from your Monday.com board. Start by opening Monday.com and heading to your main workspace home. From here, click into the project or board where you want to work with email templates. This is important because the app and templates will be attached to a specific board. Once you're in the board, open the Views area and look for the option to explore more views. This takes you into the place where you can add extra functionality to your board. From there, choose Marketplace Apps. In the search bar, type the name of the email app you're using, in this case Supermail, and then select it from the results. Click Get It Now, then Use App, and follow through the prompts until you can add the app to your current board. When the app has been added, you'll see a new view appear on your board. Click that view to open the Supermail interface. Here, choose the option to create a new template. You'll see a few starter options. Select the one that's ideal for drag-and-drop email and newsletter design, then confirm by clicking to create the template. You'll now be inside the email editor. Before designing too much, connect your email account. Look for the option to add an email account, then open the Sender Account drop-down. Choose the email address you want to send from. If you don't see yours yet, you may need to follow the on-screen steps to connect it first. Once that's selected, give your template a clear subject line and any internal name you'll use to recognize it later. Now you can design the email body. Use the menu to insert elements like dividers for spacing, a body text block, and any other layout components you need. Type your message content. Customize fonts and colors as needed, and, if relevant, use options like adding attachments or linking to sub-items or status buttons that relate to the items on your board. If you open something by mistake, you can always cancel and go back. When you're happy with the layout, save the template. Close the editor, then create a new email using that saved template. Select it, review the content, and choose Send Now. Pick the sender account you set up, then select your recipients, either from existing contacts or by choosing items on the board that represent people or tasks. Finally, click Send, and your email goes out directly from Monday.com using your custom template.